We have fixed all drawbacks in our vehicles, and now we are going to show you the mad trials for the E-snowmobile and the Super ATV, based on Kamaz wheel chambers and chainsaw, and you will see yourself who is going to be the best. Monster. Damn it, what is the right and where is the left? I keep forgetting. What's your thoughts about this beast? It sounds like snow superiority. What's wrong with you? There you go. I'm worried about the construction, maybe it's fine, but I think you guys need to add some more rubber here. There. But we didn't find any, we wanted to do so. And you must add some chains that will be on fire. And that is the heart. You know, that sounds like Soviet rock when you press gas. Did you hear it? What from you get those bearings? Oh, they are the wheel bearings from Zhiguli. And from where did you get the shaft? Oh, that's just a tube. That tube suited here perfectly, so I welded it and it was like cake. And these bearings were on the tube already. You know those bindings on the water pipe? Yeah, the clamps, I got it. Yeah, the clamps. Hey, don't film it. It is not painted, it's not beautiful. Really? You should see this one then, and you will learn that it isn't a big deal after all. That seat is like from a zombie apocalypse. Previously, this part was touching the ground and ice, so there were some troubles with going. Now we have re-welded it and it goes better. As a result, the wheel is farther from the seat now. I would make it more oriental style, like Honda robot bike, backward, Japanese. How do you like the sound? Is it loud enough? Hang on, it's the gasoline motor, so it requires heating. It isn't enough power anyway. You say not enough? That's Ural! Just look how he burnouts! There he goes! Come on, devil! Go, go! What is that smell? Is it oil? He's really cutting through the snow. Now it is warmed up enough. Well, friends, it is going to be an unjust fight. This tiny electric snowmobile will meet the huge chainsaw beast. Can you bet who is going to win? Now it's going to be the speed test. It is the start and the finish will be right there. You will see who is going to win, and here we go. Go, 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 beat him! It is the weakest 48 volts version. You wanna say you didn't realize that snowmobile speeds are faster? We need to make it more fair, you know? Let's try it again with deep snow. Well guys, now you see that the rear wheel is too little for this. The snow is too deep for the E-snowmobile, it's knee-high. It is also very fresh and soft, but a bit later it will become okay even for the E-snowmobile. People must have worn a path here. A little path and ESB can go well. Right now the snow is still fresh and soft, so the Super ATV with its big wheels goes through, but hardly. You're right, its wheels sink up in the snow too. Well, it goes awesomely where the people made a path. Just a little path and no trouble at all. Alright people, let's use our powerful snowmobiles to drag this hot road. That's easy. Attach and tighten. Let me find another way. There's the end of the belt. You wanna try? Alright, you have an honor to be the first as a professional engineer. Be careful about the wheels, don't let them touch you. You wanna do it hard? He may bump into a car while he's doing it. Come on, just go. You can help with the legs, it's okay. Yeah, just go little by little. Do you see that? Enough. Let me try this. Have you seen that mad thrust, Alex? That was cool. So I go forward. Of course. Okay, I will try it gently. Oh my gosh, I've got a breakage here. We have broken off the ignition switch. Does it still work? Oh, it's okay, it's still working. It's okay. Just give me the tape, I will make it all tickety flipping boo. I wanna try strain. Alright, you will do it this way, I'm sure. Come on, there you go. Come on, you. I feel something goes. I can't believe it, it moves the car. Although it's all spinning like hell. Alright, Alex, stop. Well, I got it. It can make a small thrust, but dragging it is impossible. Just because the rear wheel starts to dig itself into the snow, and the engine starts to twitch, it's too high load and a little thrust. Now it's time to try it with this monster ATV. I don't even know what to expect. It has a place for attaching. I don't have any. Can you move it with slow torque? Yeah, I can. The E-snowbike can do this. It starts twitching and goes nowhere. Oh my god! You must be joking! Come on, add more gas! Holy bike! He's dragging that car easily! God damn it! Holy moly! The wheels are slipping, but it's dragging well! I think you saw everything. Yeah, I think there are no comments required. Where's the protector? Nothing here. Stas has a crazy idea. He wants to rebuild these wheels. The motorbike's wheels, right? Yeah, right. Make them go on rails. Yeah, no steering required. That is easy. Set in front two wheels, let them turn a little, and that's it. With a chainsaw motor. Yeah, just press gas and go along the rails, dude. We can go about 10 kilometers like this. Take some fuel and refuel it right on the going. What if you fall and if you need to stop or something? Sure, we can make a kind of brakes, it's not a big deal. Yeah, they're easy to make. We could use an anchor or hook here. Just take it and throw. Boom! And you stop. Well, let's go and see the rails now. We want to see the railroad. I am pretty sure that E-snowbike will not overpass the rails, but this one will. Did you make it? No, I sank down here. Where are the rails? They're deep under the snow. This one is still going, do you see this? God damn it, the snow is knee-high here. Look at my legs to realize how deep it is here. Just look at me. That's terribly snowy here. We have been blowing the pellets on this place. If you watch that video, you will see the rails there under the snow. This beast just goes forward. Can you imagine? That ATV can cope with the deepest snow. My applause just for you, maestro. Have a look at my legs. Don't you ever step into the deep snow? I'm cold right now. All's in snow. The chainsaw ATV is a real beast. It goes along the snow, like it's a road. Both vehicles have shown great results during the trials. As you saw, this one suits better for the light snow or a path made by people, and my ATV goes on the deep snow better, and it serves in the wild conditions better, I think. That ATV can eat snowy hills for breakfast. It can glide through deep snow easily. And it even can drag a car. We're going to rebuild it then into an amphibian ATV. Then it will be able to go both through water and land. And about this little ATV, we will rebuild it into the snow removal machine. So maybe we will attach here a big shovel. Write in the comments which one is going to be the first, guys. The electric snow removal machine or the amphibian ATV.